truck, please. Thank you.
Oh!
That's not good.
No! No!
It's yours, Auntie.
I don't know if that rings any bells.
Come on, you gotta open your eyes.
By your feet.
What's wrong with my feet?
Come on, tighten it up.
Our eyes open.
No, not hers.
Me and just Carl here. Carl the bird, friendly bird. What's up, Carl? Ah! 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 Carl! Get him up! Get him up! Get him up!
Come here. It's okay.
Carl! Shit, that's gonna out of me.
Ja, men du måste ta med påsen, inte? Kom igen.
Kör nu.
Load it. Kom igen.